Hello, this is David Gould from Davis Hyundai in Ewing, New Jersey, bringing you why buy a certified Hyundai. Hyundai certified vehicles give their owners a lot of confidence. You get a vehicle with 173-point safety inspection, cosmetic inspection, body inspection. They go over the entire car to make sure that you are going to get the best of the Hyundais that are out there. If a car does not pass all of the items of the 173-point inspection, those items must be replaced or the car will not be certified. Along with the certification, you're going to get an extension of the original owner's warranty so that you're able to get to 5 years, 60,000 mile comprehensive coverage. That's bumper to bumper. The 10-year, 100,000 mile powertrain will now extend over to you, the new owner of your certified car. If you have a hybrid car, 10 years, 100,000 on the battery for the hybrid. 10 years unlimited miles, roadside assistance is additionally included. We've also got in there trip interruption. The odds of that are pretty low, but in the event that you did have an interruption, they cover up to $100 a day, up to $500, and rental car $35 a day, up to 10 days. Carfax outside agency will give you an idea of what was reported in the way of maintenance and also show you that the car is sound, was not involved in any major significant impact structurally. The car would not be able to be certified if it was. Edmunds and Auto Trader both said the same. They said that Hyundai's certification program has their top rating of any of the non-luxury brands. So once again, these are the right answer for somebody looking to get a pre-owned car and have all the guarantees or the feeling, if you would, of having bought that new one. Saving some money in getting the pre-owned car, but having the confidence that you've got a great automobile. So come see me. My name's David Gould. I'm at Davis Hyundai in Ewing, New Jersey. My contact information is located below. If I can help with any questions at all, you're welcome to also reach out through there. If you're out of the area there, we'll be glad to make contact.